Hi everyone, Paul Akers. You know, one of the most exciting projects I've ever done has been Generosity Press, bringing great classic books to life in an audio form at no charge. Well, the first book we did was Today and Tomorrow by Henry Ford. The second book we're doing is Norman Bodek's book, A Miraculous Life. This is a biography of Norman's life. Now, Norman Bodek is a very close friend of mine. I've traveled all over the world with Norman. He's revered as the father of lean in the United States. He saw what the Japanese were doing back in the 80s, and he started translating their works of Shigeo Shingo and bringing it to the United States and bringing them here in conferences and teaching this incredible thinking to people in the US and all over the world. Well, Norman's an incredible man, and he's had the most interesting life you could ever imagine. And his book, A Miraculous Life, is the story of his life and the journey that he took through life. And you will learn so much how to think differently, how to be open to new ideas. So if you want a great read, something very interesting, but you have to be open because Norman thinks entirely different. So I would encourage you to think deeply about the things that Norman is saying, because he has had a miraculous life and he's made a big impact on me. The most important thing I learned from Norman, I learned so many great things from him, is that what is Japan all about? It's about quality. Understanding that what the Japanese were doing was they were focused and obsessed with quality, and that propelled them to the highest level in manufacturing. Well, Norman has taught me so many other great concepts, and this book will reveal a lot of them to you. So enjoy Generosity Press's next book, A Miraculous Life by Norman Bodek. Thanks a lot.